iPhone 6s with the iOS 15.3. Hello everyone, this is Stefan. Welcome back for another video. Apple just released another software update a few days ago. So iOS 15.3. Let me know in the comments down below, are you already updated on this version or you on a previous version? So all the supported devices for iOS 15.3. Let's start with the iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, all the way to the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro. So if you have a software update, check on your device to see if this update is available. But as far as I know, this update is global, so it's going to be everywhere. Apple released this update yesterday, day before. So check for software update. The size of the update is 1 GB, depends on your device. Nothing major, no changes here. This software update basically, as you can see, fixes some problems, some bugs, issues that some people had with their iPhones, but nothing major with your iPhone. So everything works fantastic. As you expected with this iPhone 6s. If I'm honest with you, I'm gonna be very sad that this is gonna be the last year of Apple support of this device. So if you want to know more about that, check this video on the cards right now. But as far as I know, the update right now it's okay. I didn't have any issues with this iPhone 6s, if I'm honest with you. And the same with the iPhone SE first generation. So this software update fixes some issues, some problems, nothing major. Also Apple also released something very interesting, basically new watch faces. So if you go to apple.com, and if you go to the main website, there's gonna be some interesting that Apple didn't announce this. So basically we have a new watch face that you can download on your smartwatch, on your Apple Watch, and also you can check that as well, but nothing major. This software update basically fixes some issues and problems. So let me know in the comments down below, are you okay with this update? Did you have any issues with the previous updates? And also let me know in the comments down below, are you gonna be sad that iPhone 6s and iPhone SE are the last year of Apple support? I'm very sad about these two phones because many people still using these phones. They love these Apple phones, especially the 6s and the SE first generation. But let me know. This was just a quick video about the iOS 15.3 on an iPhone 6s. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.